Struggling with Excel? Here's your 5-minute solution. Hi everyone, we are One Connect, a social enterprise based in Glasgow. Now let's talk Excel. Ever opened up a spreadsheet and felt that little pang of, where do I even start? Yeah, we've all been there. We're going to break down some of the most useful Excel tips and tricks. And the best part? You can master these in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a total beginner or just want to level up your skills, stick around. You might be surprised at how much easier Excel can be. All right, let's kick things off with some keyboard shortcuts that'll save you a ton of time. First up, the classics. Ctrl+C to copy, Ctrl+V to paste. These are universal and your best friends in Excel. Ever accidentally delete something? Don't panic, just hit Ctrl+Z to undo. Need to jump to the end of a row or column of data? Hold down Ctrl and hit the arrow keys. Way faster than scrolling forever. Next up, we're tackling calculations, and specifically, how to make them lightning fast with AutoSum. Instead of manually adding each cell, just highlight the entire range you want to sum and then press Alt+O equals sign. Boom! Excel does the math for you instantly. AutoSum is crazy useful for quickly adding up expenses, calculating totals in a budget, or anytime you need a sum without the hassle. It's a game changer for working with numbers in Excel. Okay, let's talk data entry. Typing the same things over and over. Not fun, right? Plus, it's easy to make typos. That's where drop-down lists come in. They make data entry faster, cleaner, and help you avoid those pesky errors. To create a drop-down list, go to the Data tab and look for Data Validation. In the Allow box, choose List, and then you can either type in the items you want in your list or select a range of cells from your spreadsheet. Hit OK, and you've got yourself a drop-down menu. If you like this video, please leave a comment below and don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Freeze panes. Never lose your headings. Ever get lost scrolling through a massive spreadsheet? You're not alone. This feature lets you lock your top row or first column in place, so they stay visible no matter how far down or across you scroll. Go to the View tab and click on Freeze Panes. You'll see a few options. Freeze Top Row is perfect for keeping your column headers in view. Freeze First Column is great for keeping row labels visible. Now you can scroll through your data without losing sight of your headings. Conditional formatting. Make your data pop. Conditional formatting lets you automatically apply formatting to cells based on their values. Select the cells you want to format, head to the Home tab, and click on Conditional Formatting. Choose the type of rule you want to apply, like highlight cells rules or top-bottom rules. You can highlight cells with different colors, add icons, even create data bars that visually represent the values in your cells. It's all about making your data more visual and easier to analyze at a glance. Flash. Fill. Let Excel do the typing. This feature learns patterns in your data and automatically fills in the rest for you. Start typing the first name in the next column. Excel will probably try to guess what you're doing and show you a preview of the rest of the column. If it's correct, just hit Enter and boom, Excel fills in the rest. If not, type in a few more examples and then hit Ctrl+C to activate Flash Fill. It's like having a personal assistant for your data entry. VLOOKUP, the ultimate data detective. This function is a lifesaver when you're working with large data sets and need to find specific information quickly. VLOOKUP searches for a specific value in a column and returns a corresponding value from another column. There are tons of great tutorials online that can walk you through the steps in detail. So there you have it. 7 Excel tips and tricks that can seriously up your spreadsheet game. If you're looking for more ways to boost your tech skills, Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and check out our other videos. We've got tons of helpful content on everything from basic computer skills to coding and web design. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and let us know in the comments what other Excel topics you'd like us to cover. Check out our links below for more help, guidance, and how you can help to support our cause. Visit our website or links below to learn more about our services and products. We want to hear from you. Do you have any experiences or tips on this subject? Share them in the comments below to help others in our community. Also, let us know what you're most interested in learning about next. Your feedback helps us create content that matters to you. Thank you for being part of our journey, and see you next time. Thanks for watching.